do you hear outside?
Airplane outside and then they coming down again.
The airplane's coming down? Okay, what are the rules on the airplane? Huh?
People on and then they coming down and crash.
An airplane crashes? Where'd you see that? And it breaks? Where'd you see that?
A biggie then they come down, break.
Oh, really? It crashes? Who told you that? Where'd you see that?
Maybe crash all the time.
Mimi crashes them all the time?
No, when airplane come down, and then come down there, and fall down, and then they come down and up.
Oh, I don't think the airplanes crash, really. That doesn't really happen. You must have just seen it for pretend. But what do you do on the airplane always? Tell Mommy what you do on the airplane.
And people on crash fall down.
Well, you don't need it. The plane's not going to fall down, I promise, okay?
And the airplane fall down and all getting crashed and hurt and he's a boo-boo.
It's okay. You won't get hurt, okay? Because you would have a seatbelt on, okay?
Okay.
Love you. Night-night.